Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create subdomain for your website. Before everything, let's consider the meaning of subdomain. Subdomain is a subsection of your primary website name that can exist independently without a new domain name, and you can put your files, a new website on it for having a completely different website inside your primary website. It's a good usage, and you can also use subdomains for creating a shop for your company inside your primary website name, or you want to maybe test a new project inside your server, or having a section, for example, for blogs or support of your users, your followers, and insert it in your domain name and design a complete different website for this section. But let's see it in action. For example, I have a customer that has a website behruzmusic.com, and my customer wants to have another section, for example support.behruzmusic.com, like this. Okay, support.behruzmusic.com. behruzmusic.com is a primary domain name, and all of this address, support.behruzmusic.com, is a kind of subdomain, and you can upload your new website here for having a new section for your followers, for your users, or other things. But how can we create it in cPanel? After logging to cPanel, cPanel is an area for managing your domains, host, your website files, and for creating a subdomain. In this main page, just come down to domains area and select subdomains. Okay. In this page, just select the name that you want to have for your subdomain. For example, here I choose support, and it asks me in which domain you want to create a subdomain. I select this domain. I maybe have many different domains, but I should select the primary domain that I want to create a subdomain on it. And in third section asks about the location of the subdomain for uploading your website files. After pressing the create button, it shows a message that support.behruzmusic.com has been created. This is our subdomain. Okay, and when we go back to the subdomain page and come down, we can see that the subdomain with the name of support.behruzmusic.com is created, and I can now upload my files here by clicking on it. Okay, and after it I go to upload and select my files on desktop, for example here. Okay, I compressed my files, and in this address I can extract it. After uploading, I reload it. Now choose extract in this address. This is my subdomain address. Okay, close. And now let's check it together. Support.behruzmusic.com. As you can see, this subdomain address is created, and I could upload a new complete website in this new address. Okay, also I can have access to this subdomain address in cPanel from here. You can go to your main page and go to File Manager. After it, in this first page, select this folder, support.bearsmusic.com, and you can see again that your files are here. I hope this tutorial be useful for you. Just please subscribe my channel and support my videos by your like and comments. Thank you.